Condenser below brings rays to a point. Center the cone so the view's on joint. The field diaphragm frames the scene. Trim straight light, keep the background clean. Click the nose piece, choose your power right. Objectives line up, lock in with a light click. Start at 4, then 10, now take flight. Fun focus sings, make the image stick. Condenser up, iris just a bit. That's the microscope groove. Now you're dialed and lit. Place the slide, click wonders north. Dim the light, half open the heart. Close the field, head sharp we see. Focus with condenser, then center carefully. Open the field to just past the frame. Contrast and detail, that's the name of the game. At 49, keep your hands refined. Coarse, focus off, use fine every time. For 100 odd oil, place a tiny drop. Touch a lens to the cover slip, let the shimmer stop. High and air, sharper lines revealed. But depth gets shallow, keep your focus sealed. Click the nose piece, choose your power right. Objectives line up, lock in with a light click. Start at 4, then 10, now take flight. Fine focus sings, make the image stick. Condenser up, iris just a bit. That's the microscope groove. Now you're dialed and lit. Filter holder ready, blue for tone. Neutral density when the light's too strong. Condenser height now brings clarity in. Par focal eyes thanks to Diopter trim. Lens paper only. Slide support from before you pull. Safely. Keep diaphragms open and high mag. Wisely. Cover the scope, keep the stage dry. Neatly. Page to switch from iris to field. Master the parts and the image is sealed. Click focus, center to your histo will prove. With skill in your hands, the microscope groove. Page to switch from iris to field. Master the parts and the image is sealed. Click focus, center to your histo will prove. With skill in your hands, the microscope groove. Page to switch from iris to field.